like it.
Konnichiwa. Welcome to 日本語lingo. I'm Kanta.
And Kai.
Today's topic is ほど.
The general meaning of ほど is extent or degree, but it can be used in many different ways. So we'll talk about it today.
Here we go. First, the form is like this.
Verb, normal form. Noun, na adjective plus na, or e adjective, and ほど.
ほど has roughly 3 meanings. 1,
To this extent.
2,
About, approximately.
3,
The more, the more. Let's look at the first meaning, to this extent.
So for example, when you have a lot of homework, but not so much that you have to wake up all night doing it. In Japanese, you say,
この宿題は徹夜をするほど大変ではない。It means that the hardness of this homework does not reach the point where you have to deal with it all night.
there's one slang using this ほど. That is,
死ぬほど。
the literal meaning is to the extent where you die, but it is used figuratively as an emphasis. For example,
死ぬほど喉が渇いている。
the literal meaning is, I'm so thirsty that I'm gonna die, but you're not gonna die. It just means that you're thirsty very much.
Yeah. I like it. When two things are compared in a negative sentence, ほど can be used.
For example, when you compare the weather in Hokkaido and Tokyo, and want to say, Tokyo is not as cold as Hokkaido, you say,
東京は北海道ほど寒くない。Next, it means about or approximately with numbers.
for example, about 10 minutes is.
10分ほど。
So when you say, it takes about 10 minutes to get to the station, in Japanese, you say,
駅まで10分ほどかかります。10分ほど is the same as 10分くらい, but ほど sounds more formal than くらい. Third, the more, the more.
the more you practice, the better you get, is in Japanese.
練習すればするほど上手くなる。
Another example. The closer to the station your apartment is, the higher the rent gets, is in Japanese.
アパートが駅に近ければ近いほど家賃は高くなる。As you saw, the form is verb ba form conditional plus verb normal form plus ほど。E adjective ba conditional plus E adjective normal form plus ほど。Or na adjective plus なら plus na adjective plus なほど。
Good job.
But you can remove the ba conditional part.
So you can also say,
アパートが駅に近いほど家賃は高くなる。
so we talked about ほど today. Let's review its 3 meanings. 1,
To this extent.
2,
About, approximately.
3.
The more, the more.
The form is like this. So that's it for today.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Thank you. See ya.